Hello students, up till now we have seen all about fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. Now our exercise 2.5 is about decimal. From here starts our decimal part. From exercise 2.5 starts our decimal part. Till exercise 2.4 whatever we have done, that was all related to fractions. Now before we start our exercise 2.5, we will quickly revise some basic terms related to decimal, which you have already studied in your previous classes. Let us go through that. So, first of all, what are decimals? First of all, what are decimals? So, whenever you divide any whole number into parts, whatever you get is called decimal. For example, if I write 4.5, so this is your decimal number and this point is our decimal point. So this is your decimal point. This is your decimal point and this number is called decimal number. Let us take another example. For example, 146.25. So this part which is given before decimal point, the part which is given before decimal point, that is called whole number or integral part. That is called whole number. This is called whole number, or you can also call it integral part. Integral part. So this part which is given before the decimal point, that is called whole number or integral part. And this part which is given after the point, after the decimal point, that is called decimal part or fractional part. You can call it decimal part or fractional part. Fractional part. So this number which is before the point, that is called whole number or integral part, and this number which is after the point, this is our decimal point, and after the point whatever is given, that is called decimal part or it is called fractional part. Now how we read this number? Okay, so how we will read, that is very important, because some students, they make mistake in reading and writing of decimal numbers. For example, it is 146.25. So the number which is before the point, that is read as, how we read a simple number that way. So it is 146. This is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. And after the point, this is called tenth place. T-E-N-T-H. Tenth place or 1 upon 10. This is at 10th place and this is at 100th place. TH, 100th place or 1 upon 100. So as you go on to the right side, as you go on shifting, the number becomes 10 times smaller. So this is 1/10th, this is 100th. Okay, so you will read it as 146.25. Now after the decimal point, we read it as single digit. So it is 146.25. If you read 146.25, then it is wrong. And when you write in words, at that time also it should be written in the same manner. For example, the way in which we are reading, the same way we have to write it in words also. So it will be 146.25. So 2 and 5 should be written individually, 2, 5. If you write 25, then it is wrong. So this part which is before the point, that is written as simple number name, how we write 146.25. But after the point, whatever is given, that should be written as single digit. Let us take one more example. If it is this way, then how you will read it? It is 1025.111, and when you write it in this form in words, then also you will write 1025.111. It should be written as single digit. So I hope you understood how to read and how to write it in words. Okay, so this was about decimal. Now decimal number can also be written as fraction. How to write decimal number as fraction? So you just have to see the decimal point. After the point, here the point is, you have to start from backside. The point is after 1, 2 and 3 digit. The point is after 1, 2 and 3 digit. So we have to write 30 in the denominator, means it will be 1000. So when we will remove this point, so I am writing it without point, so it will be 1025111 upon 1000. This is the fraction form of this decimal number. So decimal number can be written as fractions like this way. So you need to remove the point, and point is after 1, 2 and 3 digits. So 30 we will write, so it will be upon 1000. Let us take another example. If it is 2.5, if it is 2.5, how you will write it as fraction? So point is after 1 digit. Okay, you need to count from backside. Don't count from here. You have to start from backside. So after 1 digit, point is there. So 1 digit point is there, so 10 means 25 upon 10. So this way you will write decimal number as fraction. Let us take one more example. Suppose if it is this 125.3, so point is after, again after 1 digit. Some students, they make mistake, they see from left side that 1, 2 and 3, so point is after 3 digit. No, that is wrong. You need to always start from back side, from this side. Okay, you will start from this side. So point is after 1 digit. So actually we have to write 10. So 1253 upon 10. So when you remove the point, 10 will come because point is after 1 digit. So this was the fraction part. Now how we can compare decimal numbers? For example, if I write 4.5 and if I write 6.3, so how we can compare that, which decimal number is greater? So 4.5 means 4 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा. 4.5 means 4 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा. So 4 is our complete whole number and then 0.5. So as I told you, 0.5 means 5 upon 10. This 4 is a whole number. As we have seen, this is whole number or integral part. So 4 means this 4 whole part we are taking, and then 0.5. 0.5 means the fifth one we have to make 10 parts of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one we have to make 10 parts of it, and out of that 10 parts we will take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 part, this much part. So this is 4.5. And same way if I talk about 6.3, so I am taking 6 whole part. 6 whole part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 whole part, and this 0.3 means this part we have to make again 10 pieces. Okay, 10 pieces we have to make, and out of that 10 piece I will take only this 3 piece. Okay, I will take 3 piece. So this is 6.3. So out of 4.5 and 6.3, you can see that which one is more, which one is greater. So 6.3 is greater. Also you can compare in simple way. How we compare simple numbers? For example, 4.5 and 8.9. So for comparing decimal number, you can write it first in fraction part. So 4.5 means 45 upon 10. 8.9 means 89 upon 10. So denominators are same. So now you can find out that which one is greater. So 89 is greater. So this way also you can find out. If suppose here in place of 10, 100 is given, denominators are not same, then you will take out LCM and then you can compare the decimal number by taking out LCM. Otherwise, another simple method is, for example, if I write 2.5 and 2.9, how I can compare this? So you just have to compare like simple number. You need to see the first digit. Who is greater? Okay, first digit you need to find out that which one is greater. So here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there. Now first digits are same. In that case, you need to now see the next digit. So next digit is 5 and here next digit is 9. So 5 and 9, who is greater? 9 is greater. So 2.9 is greater. So 2.9 is greater. For example, if I write 0.05 and 0.2. Okay, so from these two now, who is greater? So that we need to find out. So again we will compare. We will see the first digit. The first digit is 0 in both. So it is same. So by seeing the first digit, we cannot make out who is greater. So now we will see the next digit, this one. So next digit is 0 and here next digit is 2. So 0.2 is greater. Who is greater out of 0 and 2? 2 is greater. So 0.2 is greater than 0.05. So this way you can easily compare by seeing the digits, just like we do in simple numbers. That way you can compare. So this was the basic things about decimal. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Now we can proceed ahead with our exercise 2.5. So our exercise 2.5 is based on the same thing, how to compare decimal numbers. So let us start exercise 2.5 of chapter 2. Which is greater? We have to tell that out of these both, which is greater, 0.5 or 0.05, which is greater. So let us compare these two numbers. First number is 0. Here also first number is 0. So 0 and 0 is same. So now we will see the next digit. So next digit here, second digit is 5 and here second digit is 0. So 5 and 0. Who is greater? 5 is greater. So 0.5 is, this part is greater than this part. So you will write that 0.5 is greater. 0.5 is greater. So this way it becomes very simple, okay, by comparing the digits. Now, or otherwise another method is 0.5 you can write as 5 upon 10 and 0.05 you will write as 5 upon 100. That is our another method of comparing. You can write it as fraction and then you need to take out LCM, but that method will be very long because you need to take LCM, make the denominator same, and then so that way also you can compare. This is the easiest way. Now second one, 0.7 or 0.5. Let us again compare the digit. First digit is 0 and 0. Again first digits are same. Here also 0, here also 0. So now we will see the second digit. So second digit here is 7 and here is 5. So who is greater? 7 or 5? Obviously 7 is greater, means 0.7 is greater. So 0.7 is greater than 0.5. So this is our second answer. Now third one. Third one, there is no decimal point. So whenever there is no decimal point, only 7 is given, means only whole number is given 7. So complete number is given 7. So this is 7 and here 0.7. 0.7 means 0 se thoda sa zyada, right? 0 se thoda sa zyada. So obviously 7 is greater. But if you don't understand this way, you can take here 0.0. So whenever complete number is given and there is no decimal point given, you can put 0.0 at the last. Here you can put 0.0 at the end. So 7.0 means 7. So usse koi farak nahi padega. That will not make any difference. So 7 and 7.0 both are same. If you write only 7 or if you take 0.0, 7.0 means 7 point nothing. 7.0 means 7 point nothing. So no number is there after point. So it means only 7. So 7 or 7.0 both are equal. So we can write like this. Now we will compare. So our first digit is 7 and here first digit is 0. So which one is greater? This one is greater. So 7 is greater than 0.7. Now fourth one, again let us compare. First digit is 1 and 1. Both are same. So we will see second digit. Now we will check second digit. So second digit is 3 and here it is 4. So 4 is more than 3. So which one is greater? 1.49 is greater. 1.49 is greater than 1.37. Now fifth one, again first digit is 2 and 2. Both are same. So now we will see second digit, that is 0 and here it is 3. So 3 is more than 0. So this part is greater. So 2.30 is greater than 2.03. Now last one, 0.8. So here it is 0. Here also it is 0. Then next digit is 8. Here also 8. Now second digit is also same. So now we will see third digit. Here third digit is 8. But here third digit is not given. Not given means it is 0. You can take 0. It is 0.80, not given, so here you can take 0. Okay, so here it is 8, and here third digit was not given, we have taken 0. So it is 0.80 and this is 0.88. So 0.88 means this part is greater. Okay, so 0.88 is greater compared to 0.8. So this was our question number 1 of exercise 2.5. Hope you understood. Now moving ahead with question number 2. So question number 2 is express as rupees using the decimals. Now paise is given and we have to convert it to rupees. So you all know that 1 rupees, this is the symbol of rupees. 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 1 rupee means 100 paise, but they have given paise and we are going to convert it to rupees. Okay, we are going to convert to rupees. So हमको पैसे दिए, हमको उसको रुपीज में कन्वर्ट करना है. Whenever rupees is given and we convert to paise, we normally multiply. Okay, from bigger unit, when we go to smaller unit, we multiply. Okay, but here paise is given, so we have to divide. What we will do, we will divide. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, means 1 paise equal to how much rupees? So this 100 we have to take here down in the denominator. So 1 paise is 1 upon 100 rupees. 1 upon 100 rupees. So this we will use 1 upon 100 rupees. So 7 paise means 7 paise is our question. So 7 paise means 7 upon 100. Okay, we have to divide by 100 because from paise we are going into rupees. So we have to divide. So 7 upon 100. Now 100 is given, means 2 zeros are given. So we have to put point after 2 digit. This is fraction part and we have to get the answer in decimal part. So we have to put point after 2 digit. Okay, here after 2 digit we will put point. So we are given only 1 digit, that is 7. So this is 1 digit, second digit is not given, so we will take 0. So we are keeping 0. So 1 and 2. After 2 digit we will keep point. So here also we can keep 0. So 0.07 rupees. So now we have converted paise to rupees. So whenever we convert paise to rupees, we will divide by 100 and we will put point after 2 digit. Now second one, we will see our second question now. Now second one is 7 rupees 7 paise. So we have to get our answer in rupees. Now here this 7 is already in rupees, so this we don't have to convert. So this is already in rupees, 7 rupees, and this is 7 paise plus 7 paise. So this 7 rupees we don't have to convert, this we have to convert, 7 paise. So that we have already converted. 7 paise means 0.07 rupees. So here 7 rupees plus here 0.07 rupees. So 7 paise means 0.07 rupees. We will take 7 upon 100 and we will get this. So now we have to add. This was already in rupees. This we have converted. Paise, that we have converted to rupees. So now we will combine this both. We will add. So 7 is given. Now how to add these both? So here after 7 there is no decimal point. So we can take 0.00. Whenever there is no decimal point, you can put point and you can take 000 after that. So I have taken 7.0 or 0, one more 0. Now our second digit is 0.07. Now you have to arrange point below point. Point के नीचे point आना चाहिए, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Now 0.07. So 0.07. So this is my second digit. This part I have kept. And here it was only 7, so I have kept 7.00. Now I can add. So 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 and 0 is 0. 0.7 plus 0 is 7. So just like simple addition, we will add it. So it will be 7.07 rupees. So this is our answer in rupees. So this was second one. Now let us see third part. Third question is 77 rupees third question is 77 rupees 77 paise. Again, rupees and paise both are given to us. This is already in rupees, so we don't have to convert this. This part is in paise, so we have to convert this. So 77 rupees is already in rupees, so this we already have, plus this part we will convert, 77 paise. So 77 paise we have to convert to rupees. So 77 upon 100. For converting paise to rupees, what we have to do? We have to divide by 100. So I am taking upon 100. So our next step will be 77 plus, here 100 is there, 77 upon 100. So again after 2 digit I will keep point. So 2 digits are already given, 7 and 7. These are 2 digits. I will keep here point. So it will be 77 plus 0.77. So we will add these both now. So 77 and 0.77. Now again here there is no point. So as I told you, 77 is a complete number. There is no point given to us. So we can take 0.0 at the end. We can take 0.0. So this part will become, let us see here. So 77 rupees is already given to us. So 77 rupees plus 77 upon 100 rupees. So this we need to convert. So 77 rupees plus here 0.77. Now how we will add these both? So here there is no decimal point. So as I told you, you can keep 0.0 at last. So it will be 77.00. Okay. Now here it is 0.77. So 0.77, as I told you, point below point you need to arrange it. So ये point के नीचे point आना चाहिए. Now it is 0. Before point 0 is there. So keep here 0. And 77 is, this part is after the point. So keep it here like this way. And then you will add it carefully. So 0 and 7 is 7. Again 0 and 7 is 7. Again 7 and 0 is 7. Here there is no number. You can keep 0 or you can directly bring 7 down. So the answer is 77.77 rupees. So this is your final answer of third one. Now fourth one we will see. Fourth one is 50 paise. Fourth one is 50 paise. Now paise I want to convert it to rupees. So again I will divide by 100. So 50 upon 100. I am converting to rupees. Okay. Now again 100 is given. So after 2 digit I need to put decimal point. Okay. I will convert it to decimal number. So I will put point after 2 digit because I have 100. So 20 is there. So after 2 digit I will put point. So 1 digit is 0. Second digit is 5. Second digit is 5. So after 2 digit I will keep here point. So here you can keep 0. So it is 0.50 rupees. This is our fourth one. Now fifth one we will see. So fifth one is 235 paise. Now 235 paise, again we will convert it to rupees. So we will again divide by 100. So 235 divide by 100. Then we will get the answer in rupees. So again 100 is there. So we have to put point after 2 digit. So after 2 digit from back side. Okay. So 1 digit and 2 digit. So यहाँ पे point आएगा, right? So after 2 digit from back side we will put point. So this is 1 digit. This is second digit. And here we will keep decimal point. So it is 2.35 rupees. So this is fifth answer. Hope you understood question 1 and question 2 of exercise 2.5.